Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing something different today. I'm going to try an updo on an old wash and go. I have my water, some oil, eco gel, a little bit of that, and a couple of bands, comb, and a brush, and then some hairpins that I'll be using. Y'all take a second to subscribe and turn on notifications, like my video. All right, I'm trying to get this hair a little bit more pliable, spraying some water in it. This gel that I use for the wash and go, it was very strong. Okay, I'm going to my cabinet. I'm gonna use some of Annabelle's leave-in conditioner to help put a little bit of moisture back in my hair. All right, continuing to spray. So I'm going to try this faux Mohawk, and I saw Mary G do a tutorial for this, and I wanted to try it on my hair. I'm going to link her video down in the description box. Her video shows a much better job of her parting her hair, y'all. I was struggling. That is the last time you'll see the comb in the video. It was the first and the last because my hair, the only way to get a comb through it, that fine tooth comb, was to shampoo and condition my hair. And this old wash and go was not letting me do it because it was just like, it wasn't working. So if you don't like parts that aren't perfect, y'all, just ignore my imperfect parts. So sectioning off my hair, I've got that first section done with imperfect parts. I thought it still looked okay with the parts like that. I wasn't upset about it. Getting a little bit more water in my hair, and I'm going to work on that next section, parting it off. So I did 3 different sections. I could see this being cute just doing 2 sections also, possibly. Okay, so that one was a little bit easier to section off. I'm going to go ahead and put a band on that to get it sectioned off. And y'all, this was an arm workout. Usually I am accustomed to just doing wash and goes where my hands are not all the way up in the air, but this was a little bit of a workout getting this hair done. So working on my last section, oil, water, trying to loosen up those curls just a little bit. I need a touch of gel, try to make it a little bit neater. All right, brush it just a touch. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and double up the scrunchie and get it ready to go. All right, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the middle section. That is a much thicker section. I was struggling to get that band out. I'm trying to see if that part can get any bit neater. Y'all see me struggling trying to separate those curls. Once you have a extreme hold gel in your hair, the best thing to do is just wash it. I could see this working out on an old twist out. I would not see a good idea for, or even like freshly washed hair that you might just put in like a leave-in or a light cream in and do it wet or damp. I could see it working like that, but I still was able to manage to do it with that old washing on my hair. So getting that middle section ready, I'm trying to loosen up some of my curls. I'm going to go ahead and put that band in my hair. All right, y'all, I'm wore out. Okay, now here goes for the top section of hair. More water, more water. I sprayed so much water in my hair, but that gel was so strong. All right, slicking it, trying to slick and get that oil all into my hair. Even more water, brushing it, smoothing it on just a little bit. My son comes on in the bathroom. All right, put a little gel on the side, just a little bit. He puts a little bit of gel in my hair because that's what I'm here for. All right, smooth out those edges as best as you can. And I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put my scrunchie band, ouchless band on the top of my hair. And you can kind of see right here, it is not even in the center of my head, but it still works out. All right, more smoothing of the edges. I'm going to get ready to tie down my hair to help give it more of a sleek look. This is totally not necessary. You don't need to do this step, but I chose to. All right, I left this in for just about 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes is over. I am taking it out. My little waves seem to be popping. Right here, you can see, obviously, it is not centered, but I still made it work. I was thinking for a split second, should I take it down and start over? No, I'm going to make sure I center it. So what you're doing, you're going to split that hair in half in each section. You're going to roll and tuck and pin. All right, tuck in those ends. It does not matter if your hair is shorter than mine. This style is still possible if your hair is not the same length. So roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and then tuck. I made a mistake while doing this style while having my ring on. If you have rings on, y'all take them off because you'll see as I proceed through the sections that I should have taken my rings off. So middle section, we're going to split that section in half. All right, split it as evenly as possible. Separate those curls without snatching them out and breaking off your hair. That's why I kept spraying water in my hair, y'all. All right, roll that one upward motion, tuck it and pin it on each side. All right, you're going to do the same thing for the second part. Instead of rolling it upward, you're going to roll that section downward. So stretch out your curls a little bit and roll down. All right, pinning it down and continuing to go through each step. I'm taking a look at it. I'm thinking, okay, all right, I'm feeling it a little bit. So I have this last section that I need to complete. And I get ready to separate it right here. And I'm noticing that it's feeling a little bit loose. So I decided to go ahead. Let me take out that band and I'm going to get it a little bit tighter because it was really loose. Y'all, my facial expressions, because probably my arms were tired. This was literally a workout doing my hair. I work out, but obviously I'm not doing enough.
Your hair is still like that. Mom, make your hair like a rainbow now.
Like a rainbow?
Yes, because like you have
Like it, what colors?
black.
Black. Oh, a black rainbow shaped like a rainbow?
No, it's not shaped like a rainbow.
Oh, you want me to shape it like a rainbow?
Yeah. Because, but I need this, please.
Yeah, it usually is shaped like a rainbow. I just wanted to try something different today. Do you like it?
No.
You don't?
Yeah, because I know your hair like a rainbow.
Oh.
And I'll say I like it.
Okay. So you're not feeling this look today? You don't like it?
Yeah.
Do you like my hair today? Look at it. Do you like it?
No. It looks like a caterpillar. It should be like a caterpillar.
Oh, it looks like a caterpillar.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to make it like a rainbow.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. This is the completed look of my natural hair, mohawk or faux hawk, whatever you want to call it. I was very pleased. It was easy to do. I like the finished look of it, except for those parts. But, you know, I got over that. They look fine. I received lots of compliments on my hair, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all turn on the notifications, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.